Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, making a function asynchronous is a powerful feature that allows you to write concurrent code using the asyncio library. Starting from Python 3.5, you can define asynchronous functions using the async def syntax, and you can use the await keyword to call other asynchronous functions. Here's an informative tutorial on how to make any function asynchronous in Python 3.12, including relevant code examples. Overview of asynchronous programming. Asynchronous programming allows you to perform multiple operations concurrently without blocking the execution of your program. This is particularly useful for I/O bound tasks, such as network requests or file operations. Key concepts. 1. Coroutines, functions defined with async def. They can be paused and resumed, allowing for asynchronous behavior. 2. Event loop, the core component of asyncio, which runs asynchronous tasks and callbacks. 3. Tasks, a way to schedule coroutines to run concurrently. Steps to make a function asynchronous. 1. Define an asynchronous function. You can convert a regular function into an asynchronous function by using the async def syntax. 2. Use await to call other asynchronous functions. You can use the await keyword to call other asynchronous functions. This pauses the execution of the current coroutine until the awaited function completes. 3. Create an event loop. To run asynchronous functions, you need to create an event loop. You can do this using asyncio.run, in Python 3.7 and later. Example, making a synchronous function asynchronous. If you have a synchronous function that you want to run asynchronously, you can use asyncio.to_thread, or loop.run_in_executor, for I/O bound tasks. 1. Synchronous function. 2. Wrap the synchronous function. You can create an asynchronous wrapper around the synchronous function. 3. Complete example. Here's a complete example that demonstrates how to convert a synchronous function to run asynchronously. Key takeaways. Use async def to define asynchronous functions, coroutines. Use await to call other asynchronous functions, allowing for non-blocking execution. For synchronous functions, wrap them using asyncio.to_thread, to run them in a separate thread, allowing them to be called asynchronously. Conclusion. Asynchronous programming in Python provides an effective way to handle I/O bound tasks without blocking the main thread. With Python 3.12, using asyncio has become even more intuitive, making it easier to write concurrent applications. By following the above steps, you can easily convert regular functions to asynchronous functions and leverage the full power of asynchronous programming in Python.